I just play what comes from the heart, you know.
Yeah.
I try. But you try. Let's go, dudes! This is huge! Woo!
Let's go, dudes! I like the hills, and I like the mountains. I like the streams, I like the fountains. I like the people when I meet them on the street. They say, you're gonna beat your feet. Yeah, go up to the mountains where you can find yourself a tree. We're going on up to the mountains to see the view. What about you? Let's take a dip, dude. I'm in relay. Let's take a dip. Melody the same. We're taking a dip. Down memory lane. We're taking a dip too, and it's up to you on YouTube. If you're gonna watch this, then go on out and have a fight and scream and shout. What you gonna do is I'm going to the hills and maybe eat lots of vegetables. Let's take a dip. Let's take a dip, dude. Down memory lane. There's a waterfall. Take a dip, dude. It'll wash away your pain. Let's take a dip, dude. Take a trip, dip, take a dip, rip, tip to the rip, to the tip of the top, and then the rail in my heel, you're learning to hop. Winners don't break when it tips it down, like the rapids from me, the street, the street, the street, it's crazy, you're 60s, gonna mankind in these crazy years, extinguish your fears, and listen to the will, no sense of nonsense, sitting in tears, you're in the waterfall. Real dude. Let's take a dip, dude. Take a dip, dude. Take a dip. So, it's nice sunshine weather, man.
You know, dude, this reminds me of being back in Holland, you know? It's nice, you know?